Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Today I have a pretty cool application that lets you make money by answering trivia questions related to basketball, and it's called Steph IQ, and it's about to start, so I'll explain more after this is finished. So it's pretty similar to the app I showed you guys before called HQ Trivia that lets you make money by answering trivia questions, except this one is basketball related. Let me raise the sound.
And the portal is now open. Welcome to another game of Steph IQ. If you didn't play with us last time, you missed out on some dope prizes. But no worries. You get all 8 questions right, you get a share of today's prize.
So this is 8 questions compared to 12 questions for HQ Trivia.
That's not all though. Get all 8 questions, and you get a chance to win our grand prize.
And
Fresh Curry 5
they offer shoes in addition
That's
to
right. You guys
credit.
You can earn a free pass by sharing the game. That's right. That way, if you get a question you don't know the answer to, you can skip it with your free pass. You can't, however, use your free pass on the final question. So are you ready? Because if you want to win today's shoes, you gotta know about shoes. First question.
Alright, let's see it.
Which of these shoes are made from wood? Stilettos, clogs, moccasins, or sneakers?
I think stilettos. I'm not too sure. I'm not familiar with shoes much, but let's go with it.
Wooden shoes? What are those? Who thought that would be comfortable?
Oh wow.
Not even real
And
shoes.
looks like I was wrong on the first question.
Which are traditional shoes made?
But there is my code, and you can get a free pass if you enter it.
I can do all things. Philippians
And let's watch the rest of it just to see how it is.
Genesis 1:1 or John 3:16.
I'll go with Philippians. But I can't enter anymore because I'm already out. Obviously, you need to get all 8 questions correct in order to win the final prize.
Sometimes right. I can do all things on his knees. A reference to a scripture in Philippians chapter
Wow,
4,
so I would have gotten that one right
verse
if I had
13. Well, let's see if you
gotten the first question
all
correct.
things here on Steph IQ. Time for the next question. Why did sneakers get their name? They were expensive, they were quiet, they were lightweight. Inventor named sneakers.
I'm guessing they're quiet because it makes sense. Sneakers, you want to sneak in them.
Sneakers are made with rubber soles, which were quiet compared to other shoes of the day. So you might be able to sneak up on somebody while wearing them. Sneaky with shoes. Our next question is about Steph's sneakers. What year did the Curry 1 drop? 2012, 2014, 2015, or 2016?
I would go with 2015 on this one.
Steph's first signature shoe was released at All-Star Break in 2015.
Oh wow, yeah, would have gotten that one right as well. And that one got quite a few people that got it wrong.
Of the NBA. Let's go to the next question. Which shoe has commemorated?
I'll go with father to son on that one.
He inherited good basketball genes and that smooth stroke from his pops. So
Yeah,
the
would have
least
gotten that one right as well.
was pay tribute with the sweet pair of shoes.
So far,
Well, you've
if
had
I'd gotten the
smooth
first question
stroke
right,
so
I would
far.
have been
Let's
still
see
in the
if you
game.
Stay hot.
Or if I had a
Next
free
question.
pass.
What was the first time a Steph signature sneaker appeared on court?
I would go with the 2015 All-Star game. Or, no, the 3-point contest.
Is it only fitting that the man whose name is synonymous with three-point shooting, the man who
Yep.
can hit threes in his sleep, debuted his
Would've
first
gone that one too.
signature shoe for the three-point contest? Only a couple more questions to go. Let's get it.
Alright, 2 more questions here.
Curry 1 Candy Rain colorway. Skittles, Sour Patch Kids, Snickers, or Liquor?
Ooh, I don't know this one. I'll go with Skittles.
inspired by Steph's favorite candy. And Steph loves him
Oh,
some
okay.
Sour Patch
I would have
Kids.
gotten that wrong then.
I mean, who doesn't? All right. Last question of the day. For a share of Under Armour credit and a chance to win some Curry 5s, I need you to answer this next question correctly. What are the first 5 digits of pi? 3.14159, 3.23263,
That one,
3.14159,
3.14159.
3.14763.
That's an odd question compared to the other ones that are all
Looks
basketball
like the
related.
answer isn't here. Let me calculate it real quick.
Yep, there you go.
Divided by the diameter, carry the 4, multiplied by 7, square root to the... Oh, looks like the answer is 3.14159. Which means this episode of Steph IQ is over.
there you go.
Congratulations
All 8
to
questions.
of you who have survived.
And you can see that they're
You're
not
splitting
that
the
hard
credit.
as long as you know some trivia about basketball. And I guess some random math trivia too sometimes.
Congratulations to everyone who made
And you can
it
see all these winners.
for the share of the store credit.
They got
And now,
$45
it's time for the live
each
raffle
in
to see
Under Armour
who's
credit.
grabbing a hold of the grand prize. Who's gonna win? There's only one way to find out.
And then for the 10 shoes, they raffled them to all the winners. So they picked 10 out of the 100 or so winners that won the game.
Congratulations to our lucky winners. I hope you
And you
enjoyed
can
that
see
as much as I did.
these 10
And if
people are
you
gonna
didn't
get
win,
the
don't worry,
Curry
there's
5
always
shoes.
next game. So stay ready, stay focused, and see you back here next game, right after Steph hits his first 3. I'll bring the questions, you bring the answers, and we'll have more prizes and surprises here on Steph IQ.
Okay, so that's how the game works. And now that I've shown you like the trivia itself, I want to tell you guys how you can access the game and like what the different prizes are and just how it works in general. So you can see here that it is activated during every Warriors game, and specifically they go live when Steph Curry hits his first three-pointer of the game. So the next game will be on the 22nd of May, which is at 6 p.m. Pacific time, so convert that to whatever time you're at. And when Stephen Curry will hit his first three-pointer, then they will start the game. And they'll also send notifications, so if you have notifications enabled, then it's a lot easier to tell when the game's about to start. And then you can see here what prizes they're offering for the game. The next game they have 10 pairs of Curry 5s, so the same shoes that were given out today. And they also give out $2,000 of Under Armour credit, which they'll split among all of the winners. And over here you can see your balance, so if you've won the game, then you can see how many credits you have total. And also you can see you get free passes if you invite other people, and those you can use. And when you use them, if you get a question wrong, then you can skip that question and still continue on in the game. Or if you don't know the question, you can use the free pass to skip the question itself. And then if you tap here, it says if you don't know the answer, you can skip the question, and if you have a friend that signs up with your referral code, then you get more free passes which you can use to skip more questions. But you have to know that you can only use one free pass per game, and you can't use on the last question. So you have to answer the last question, and if you already used one, then you have to continue answering the questions without using your free passes anymore. So here you can see my referral code. It's just Mobile Merchant if you want to add it, and you can also create your own and post it in the comments below, and you can hopefully you can add on some more free passes for yourself. So that's that. And then if you go here, you can see if you have Under Armour credit, you can redeem your credits. Not sure how that works exactly because I don't have any, but I'm guessing they will like send you some sort of code that you can then take to the store and buy different Under Armour accessories. And also if you've won any raffles, you can win different shoes, and you can also win tickets to Warriors games, as I said earlier. and those you can also redeem. I'm guessing they'll also send you like some sort of voucher or code that you can then take to the store or take to a game and watch the Warriors or get some new shoes. So there's that. And yeah, let's just go through the menu real quick just to see. So you can see here it says you can join right after Steph hits his first three-pointer. They go live every time he plays, so be ready. And if you join too late, you have to wait for the next game. You have to answer each question correctly, so there's 8 questions. If you miss one, then you're out. But you can also use a free pass to skip a question, as I was explaining. And you can also win new sneakers and more. So, like I said, you get to split the credits, and you also have a shot to win the featured prizes on the raffles. So that's pretty cool there. And yeah, this is about it. Like I said, it's very similar to HQ Trivia, which I had showed you guys earlier. And I'll be putting the link in the description below, so if you want to download this and try to catch the next game, then you can do that. And just be sure to watch the schedule for the Warriors games, so you can be sure that you can play the app whenever it's live. So that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like.
And remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximizing your income online and at home.